thank you for coming to visit. On behalf of the school board, we're delighted that you're here.
We certainly believe that, one, that we will have Olympic swimmers coming out of here, but also great academic minds as well coming from this school. So we're excited.
It's a great day in Compton. I'm Satra Zarita, Vice President of the Governing Board of Trustees of the Compton Unified School District. And we were honored today to have our Assemblyman Mike Gipson, visit our construction site. We wanted him to get a preview of what great things are going on here in the Compton Unified School District. He mentioned the pool, which is going to be phenomenal. We'll have some Olympic swimmers in 2034, I guarantee you. And our Performing Arts Center is state of the art. Just delighted to be able to provide this kind of opportunity for our students.
That bill that's going to mandate all schools in California reintroduce woodshop, metal shop, home ec, and whole those skills that our children need, and also the emerging technology, being ready and prepared for that starting 9th through 12th grade. We're here on a tour on the new Compton High School. Our young kids will be able to grow and get the enthusiasm they need walking to a state-of-the-art brand new high school. This is no school like its kind in the state of California. So I want to say to the Board of Trustees, to the Superintendent, thank you very much for bringing us into your vision. I happen to walk the vision today, and I am very excited about what I've seen.
This has been such an enlightening tour for me. I am so proud to say that we are a state-of-the-art school district. This is for 21st century education and learning. I'm a proud member of the board, and I'm looking forward to the enriched studies and the happy students and families to come.
Once we open the gates of opportunity, our children thrive. And they're always at the top of the game. Thank you, Assemblyman Mike Gipson. He's engaged. We appreciate him and all the work he does for Compton families.